So what do we have today? We have 8.3 acres for $39,000. This is also known as 17275 Quail Ridge Road in Cottonwood, California. And this is located 6 miles from I-5 as the crow flies. Well, actually more like 20-25 minutes from Redding all the way out to here. This is a beautiful blue oak studded rolling hill setting. Perfect for a home or small ranch with animals. Has a seasonal creek running through it. Some nice potential build sites before and after the creek. Power is about 500 feet in a straight line from the property, or you can go solar. And the road is paved partially and partial dirt / gravel. A little bit rough on a little section of it coming in one of the ways. This is about 650 feet elevation, so really not any snow in the winter. And owner financing is not available, so you'll need cash. Or you can get a bank loan from, say, Access Mortgage in Redding. I know does bank loans. Very reasonable. It can be off-grid. And it can also be large acreage stuff, too, without utilities. So in case you're wondering what this might look like with a little house on it, or maybe a little cabin, or maybe a small ranch. How about with some animals? Some horses? You get the picture. Lots of possibilities here. Where I'm currently at now, which is just across the creek from the property, or just across the creek on the property. My cell phone doesn't work here. Don't have a signal. Maybe up at the top it will. There is, of course, high-speed internet and stuff from satellite and various other entities that offer it in this area. This is a nice spot here. Definitely got deer here on this trail. Sasquatch seems to be checking it out too. Goes down that way, comes from over there, and the creek is down that way, right in there. Road's over here. Show you where we are here. But we're the blue triangle, and we're trying to go that away where it's pointed. Anyway, I tried. Wow, check out these holes. There's a big one right here in the shade. Digging it up. Wow, this is awesome. Those look like serious game trails. Those are, and they go into one right in front of Bigfoot. Wow. That's a neat little area down there. We're going to go down that ravine a little bit, back up the other side and see what it looks like. Some beautiful flowers here. All the way up. Some purple flowers. Okay, so here is the what looks like the property corner, and I just move some dirt. Found a survey point, do not disturb. 18584 RCE. So that's probably the land survey number. So you have to line that up with a survey map with that number, and the surveyor will be able to tell you for sure. But that looks like your corner, in my opinion. Still need the surveyor to confirm it, of course, but so this is about where the property starts, and it's on the right hand side of the road. This looks like a real nice spot here. Beautiful in here. There is a house next door, but this has got a lot of privacy. So there's a creek down here. Creek's right down over here. I would probably build, if I was going to build a house, somewhere in this ballpark right here before the creek. You'd be a little ways away from the road, and you wouldn't have to cross the creek. Although I'm sure you could with a culvert or something. So, most likely we have a Bigfoot. Actually, what I was going to say was, based off the soil all being torn up around the bottom of the oak tree, we've got wild pig here. It is common in this area. The wild pigs, that is, and the oak trees. So, just to let you know. Looks like the creek is dry. I see prints in the creek bed. Right in here. Animal! Alright, let's keep going. So, these prints look like deer. Look like deer prints going that way. Most of the property's this way. I see animal trail here, going right up that way. I'm gonna go look at the creek first here. It's like an old fence line. Wow. Look at that. That's awesome.